Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I intend to do something here in the farm. It's not something new, it's something that most people already know about, but we just want to do it a bit much more elaborative. Okay, today we intend to estimate the weight of our animals in pounds. So we want to do this using a tape. We want to use tape to measure or to estimate the weight of our animals in pounds. Okay, in order for us to do it, the tape needs to be a flexible one so that it can be able to bend around. Yes, you don't need something that is very rigid. However, in order not to make too much noise and then waste much time, let's just dive into the process. Okay, we have three animals basically that we want to estimate their weight. And like I said, to do this, we need just basically three basic tools if we are doing it manually. We need first the tape, and like I said, the tape needs to measure in inches. As you can see, this tape can measure in inches, and then you may need a paper and a biro possibly to get the result and then write it down. Okay, basically we only need two values to do this, and we use the tape to obtain these values. The first thing we need is the breadth of the animal, her width around the heart region. So after that, we will also need the entire length of the animal. The entire length, we assume it to start from the base of the ear to also the base of the tail, somewhere here. So if we measure these two values and we obtain them, we can now be able to use them to compute the estimated weight of this animal in pound. Don't forget, the result you get will be in pound. Then maybe you can be able to use the conversion factor to be able to convert it to any other weight unit you want. Like ours here, we normally consider the kilogram to be our basic. But however, the calculation we are doing today is supposed to be in pound. So let's do one. And then after this, maybe we get the one of the others. So now we are taking the weight of the heart region of the animal. Come on. And doing this, don't forget, do not allow it to get too tight. Yes, don't get it too tight and also don't get it too loose. Because I believe with that it will be able to amplify your result. So for the weight we obtain 47, and then for the entire length now, almost everything. So for this we obtain 60. To some extent she has already exceeded. But let's just assume it to be the 60 because when I got it, it was somewhere here, let's say 60 and half inches. So now we will use these two values to compute our own weight. And then after that, we will post the result on the comment section for you to see how we will do it. So, and okay, let me just explain the simple process anyway. We are going to use the value that we obtain here, which is the 47 for the width. We will square it. That's 47 times 47. Then we will multiply it by her entire length, the one we obtained 60 and a half. We multiply them, and then you will now divide it by 400. So the computation is something like this: 47 times 47 times 60 and a half, then divide by 400. Whatsoever you obtain will give you the estimated weight of this animal in pound. So after that, you do your own computation to convert it back to any other scale you want to use. So with this, it will give you, let me say, something little that you can be able to do for those of you that are not having all those kind of automatic scale and other things to measure animals that are bigger. So with this, we can be able to estimate their weight. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So thank you for staying tuned. And please don't forget to like and also to subscribe to our channel. I know the quality is not too good because most of the devices we are using here are actually cooked and they are not too expensive and beautiful like that. But with your help, by subscribing and also by liking our videos and watching other videos that we've done, I know we can be able to do something better and make every video to be educative to you. So thank you and God bless. Okay, this is for the second one. We repeat the same thing we did there. So this is 43. And this is 51. That's 47, 60 and half, 43, 51. Is fighting me. 96. It's fighting me. 52. That's